Hello students, how are you? Today I will discuss about electric potential and potential difference for class 12. This is a new unit. It means unit second. Unit second means electric potential and capacitance. Then first topic is electric potential difference. This is not a real, this is a imaginary definition. It is not a real part. Some scientist says that it is a imaginary. That is the amount of potential. Amount of potential means such as A to B. In the point of B, a test charge Q naught is placed. Test charge. This is test charge. Test charge means positive charge and a small amount of charge. Q naught is traveling from B to A. It means Q naught is traveling from B to A. It is traveled by external agent. It is traveled by external agent. Then VA minus VB equal W external from B to A upon Q naught. Then what is the definition? The work done by external agent, to carry a test charge from first point to second point in the field, that is called potential difference. When I say potential difference, then you also mean that electric potential difference. That word is repeated many times, then it is also called potential difference. The work done by external agent to carrying or bringing a test charge from first point to second point in a field, that is called potential difference. The work done by external agent to bringing a test charge from first point to second point in a field, that is called potential difference. It means VA minus VB equal W external B to A upon Q naught. That is the definition of potential difference. The unit is work, joule, charge, coulomb. Joule per coulomb. Joule also write as Newton into meter upon coulomb. Joule also write as Newton into meter upon coulomb. Dimension. The dimension of work ml to t minus 2. Dimension of work ml to t minus 2. Charge will have dimension at, because the formula of charge Q equal it. I is the current, that means A, T is the time, T. Then the formula of dimension ml to t minus 3, ml to t minus 3, A minus 1. That is the dimension formula of the potential difference. Let a test charge which is placed at r distance from the first point in a field. That means let a test charge Q naught, it is placed at the point of B. What is the test charge? A small amount of charge which is positive, that is called test charge. A small amount of charge which is positive, that is called test charge. The work done by external agent to bringing a test charge from first point to second point in a field, that is called potential difference. You understand? That is the definition of the potential difference. And the second part, what is the potential? But in the potential difference, it has some property. First, Q naught speed very slowly. The speed of Q naught, कैसी? Very slowly means as a constant. It is not traveling direct from B to A. It is not traveling from B to A direct. It is traveling at the infinite step. Second, test charge traveling at infinite steps. When constant speed, then when it has constant speed, then it has no energy loss. Third, it has no kinetic energy loss. This charge is traveling very slowly, it means as a constant. When the speed is constant, then it has same kinetic energy at every point from B to A. Confirm? Second is what is electric potential? You understand the definition of electric potential difference? You understand? The work done by external agent to bringing a charge from first point to second point in a field, that is called potential difference. Second thing, electric potential at a point. The formula is VA minus VB equal W external V to A upon में according to scientists, that is potential at infinite. Potential at infinite is zero. According to scientists, potential at infinite is zero. Then VA and B is the point which is placed at infinite. B, a point which is placed at infinite. It means VA minus VB equal W external B to A upon में Q naught. तो VB, B is placed infinite. So W external infinite to A upon में Q naught. V at infinite 0. So VA equal W external infinite to A upon में Q naught. According to scientists, according to books, potential at infinite is 0. Potential Suppose that this is the B point which is placed at infinite. So from B to A, VA minus VB equal W external B to A upon A Q naught. So VB, B is placed at infinite. The value of potential at infinite is 0. Okay, this terms is 0. So V equal W external infinite to A upon A Q naught. This is also write as V equal W upon Q naught. Also write as V equal W upon Q naught. The work done by external agent to bringing a charge from infinite to the field at a point that is called electric potential. The work done by external agent to bringing a test charge from infinite to field at a point that amount is called electric potential at a point. You understand? The work done by external agent to bringing a test charge from infinite to field at a point that amount is known as electric potential at a point. The work done by external agent to bringing a test charge from infinite to the field at a point that amount is known as electric potential at a point. It has same unit, it has same dimensional formula such as potential difference. mL2 T minus 3 A minus 1. It is a scalar quantity. It has no direction. That unit is joule per coulomb. Confirm? Some example of potential and potential difference. First question. The amount of work done in bringing a charge 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, 1.3 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb from infinite to a point in electric field to a point in electric field 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 joule. Calculate electric potential. Calculate electric potential. This is such a definition of potential. Infinite, the amount of work done in bringing a charge 1.3 charge 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb from infinite to the point, a point. The work W infinite to a point equal 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 5. Calculate electric potential. VA W external infinite to the A upon A Q naught also write as V equal W upon Q naught. तो V equal W 6.5 10 की पावर माइनस 5 अपॉन में 1.3 into 10 की पावर माइनस 7, that is joule, that is coulomb. Point cancel, 13.5 65 minus 7, तो V equal 5 into 10 की पावर minus 5 into 10 की पावर 7, तो V equal answer is 500 joule per coulomb or volt. Joule per coulomb or volt. V equal 5. Second, how much work done in bringing a charge? How much work done? How much work done in bringing a charge 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 coulomb, 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 coulomb from one point to another point, from one point to another point, potential difference is 50 volt. Potential difference is 50 volt. Formula is VA minus VB equal W V2A upon में Q naught. VA minus VB, that is 50 WB2A upon में Q naught. Q naught is 2 into 10 की power, तो W B2A 50 to the 100 into 10 की power minus 5, that is 10 की power 2, 10 की power minus 5 to 10 की power minus 3. Answer is 10 की power minus 3 joule. Confirm? Write down. Calculate the amount of work done in bringing a charge 8 microcoulomb from point A to B. चार्ज को कहां से जा रहा है? A से B. A से B. ध्यान दीजिएगा. In the definition, I asking about point B to A. B to A. But in this numerical, A to B, it means VB minus VA, B to A, VA minus VB, A to B, तो VB minus VA, W opposite A to B upon में Q naught. तो VB, that is 4 volt, at B 4 volt, A 2 volt, W A to B upon में Q naught 8 microcoulomb. ठीक, 4 minus 2 2, 2 8 is 16. तो W A to B, that is 16 microjoule. A to B 16 microjoule. Next numerical. 25 joule of energy is consumed. 25 joule energy is consumed to move an electric charge of 5 coulomb. To move an electric charge of 5 coulomb from one point to another point, from 1 point to another point in electric field if the potential at first point 10 volt, if potential at first point 10 volt, what is potential at another point? ठीक है, 25 जूल वर्क 25 जूल, चार्ज 5 कूलम, 1.25 joule energy is consumed to move an electric charge of 5 coulomb from one point to another point. From one point to another point. Also write as VB minus VA equal W A to B upon A to naught. VB minus VA, first point 10, W 25, 5 5 is 25. So VB is 15 volt. The potential at the second point VB is 15 volt. One point to another point A to B, external agent working A to B, so VB minus VA equal W A to B upon में Q naught. Note it.